How to spoof in Pokemon Go iOS. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to spoof in Pokemon Go iOS. First, purchase an external GPS spoofing device, such as Gfaker or Double Location 1. These devices will allow you to change your location on your iPhone. Once you have the device, connect it to your iPhone by following the device's instructions. This will enable you to control your location while using Pokemon Go. Next, open the Pokemon Go app on your iPhone. If you haven't already, download and install the game from the App Store. When you first launch the game, it will prompt you to select your date of birth. Make sure to choose the correct date and then tap Submit to continue. At this point, you can either continue by logging in with your Apple ID, Facebook, or Google account, or you can create a new account by selecting Pokemon Trainer Club. After choosing your preferred method, tap on Create an Account to proceed. You will then need to select your country and region, which will personalize the game for you. Enter your email address and check the required boxes for account setup. Finally, tap Continue to complete your account setup. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.